Hi everyone! Welcome to this employee tutorial on how to clock in and out of Swipe Clock, whether you're using the web clock or the employee portal. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To do this, I'm going to log into our test employee account so I can show you exactly what we're supposed to be looking at. And I have already started sharing my screen with y'all so everybody can see what we need to see. All right, let's start with the first time login. The SEAL team should have provided you with an initial login username and password, as well as the web address to access Swipe Clock. Please note that it's best not to use Internet Explorer for this. Access the Swipe Clock login page using the web address provided by the SEAL team staff. If you're unsure about the web address, don't hesitate to reach out. Now enter your timekeeping username and password. The site ID field can be left blank, but if there's already a number in it, you can just leave it as is. So I'll go ahead and put in our username and password. And everybody's username and password is going to be different, so you don't even need to worry about what I'm putting in here. After entering your credentials, whether on WebClock or the employee portal, you'll be asked to reset your password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters in length, contain 2 character types, such as uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols. And then once you've reset your password, you'll need to log in again. Your new password will be valid for both WebClock and the employee portal. Now we've already done this for our test account, so unfortunately you won't be able to see this, but it's very straightforward and it'll prompt you, so there should be no issues. Now that you're logged in, let's talk about how to clock in and out. To do this, choose Web Clock on the login page. So we'll go ahead and click this button right here, Web Clock, and once you're in Web Clock, you'll see various punch type buttons. The specific buttons may vary, but at a minimum, you should see clock in and clock out. To start or end your shift, simply click the appropriate button. So here, we're going to go ahead and click clock in so that you're in for the shift, and you will see a confirmation message on the screen ensuring that your record has been updated. So then you can just click got it, and you're clocked in for your shift. To check your time card, request time off, or view your schedule, click Employee Portal. However, please note that accessing the Employee Portal does not record a punch on your time card. To do that, you have to click Web Clock. But let's go ahead and check out that Employee Portal. We'll need to input our username and password again. And we'll click on the Employee Portal section. If you make a mistake while clocking in or forget to clock in for your shift, you can also use the employee portal to ask your manager to correct it. You can click time card and hit the note button to add a message to your supervisor, such as, can you clock me in at 9 a.m. instead of 10 a.m. This will allow you to fix your time as needed. So to show you that, time card up here, and then you can add a note, say here, it was 10 a.m. when you clocked in, but you'd actually gotten to the building at 9. So you actually need to change that. So you'll click on this little notepad here and you'll enter in got clock. There we go. And then you'll hit submit. And it will be updated there for your supervisor to see and change for you. Another important tool is the employee approval section, which you will see next to the date. So right here, this is how you will approve the hours you've worked for the past 2 weeks. So an example, you'll go here to the approval section, and this is the employee portion, and you will hit that green check mark to show that you are okay with the times that you have done. All right, so to spice things up, we're going to do an example with your favorite superhero, Noodle Nunchuck. Noodle Nunchuck was running late to work because he found some bad guys he had to take down on his way. When he gets to work, he goes to log in on his Swipe Clock, but puts his username and password. Because he was in a hurry, he accidentally presses the wrong button, and he clocks himself out for his shift instead of in. He must go to the time card section of his swipe clock so that he can leave a note right here for his supervisor to edit his time. His supervisor sees the note and fixes the issue for him, and all is good. Now that's an example of how to fix your clock in times if you accidentally press the wrong button or you forget to clock in. You can just leave a note right here. And that is how you clock in and out of Swipe Clock. Remember, if you have any questions or need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the SEAL team staff. Thanks for watching and happy timekeeping.